Bucher Municipal's advanced CityCat VR50e compact sweeper, delivering more economy, less noise, and no emissions. The specially designed battery pack allows the sweeper to perform with zero emissions and enables a 10-hour operating time on a single charge. The battery supplies the energy for the drivetrain, assuring that you have all the power needed to perform at your best. In work mode, it energizes the electric motors for the hydraulic aggregate and the fan, enhancing the pickup performance. The battery can be charged either by AC or DC. Using AC charging and the 22 kilowatt onboard charger, the sweeper can be charged in under 6.5 hours. With DC charging, a full charge is obtained in less than 2 hours. The battery recuperation system is activated when the foot is taken off the accelerator pedal. The sweeper is thus braked, without wear, and recharged at the same time. The amount of regenerative braking can be set up using the C-Sense touch display. With a top speed of 50 km per hour, the CityCat VR50e compact sweeper is out in front all the way. The CityCat VR50e lets you seamlessly switch from work to driving mode. Feel a complete electric, smooth, and powerful working experience without compromising operation features. For compact sweeping autonomy and sustainability, the CityCat VR50e is streets ahead.